It's your boy Shades here. Let's talk about AI stocks. Top 5 AI stocks you want to buy if you want to be wealthy, rich in the future. These are more long-term holds, just to be clear. These are not day trades or swing trades. These are the kind of stocks you want to buy and hold. So the first one, Palantir AI. We know it's all about AI. And it is on the verge of skyrocketing higher and getting to $30, especially when we get to the next earnings. And you'll see a very clear trend here. Let me pull up the trend line. Ooh, what kind of trend line is that? Okay, there's your trend, my friends. Okay, that's Palantir. Now let's look at Nvidia. That's the next AI stock you want. Ooh, look at that trend. It just doesn't stop. It just keeps going, guys. Look at this. So Nvidia, another one you want to invest long term. Keep in mind, this is the monthly chart. This thing has been absolutely on a tear, and it's going to continue. It's probably going to go back to 1,000 plus, and then people are going to be kicking themselves for not buying it under 200. And I've been pounding the table on this one. Accumulate it under 200. Thank me later with a tip, a donation, or whatever. What's it called? The super thanks? Yeah, if you make a lot of money on this one over the course of 10, 20 years, because this thing, I just don't see AI is going to be the next big thing, and then quantum computing is going to come around, and the only one that the person that's going to benefit the most is Nvidia. So this is like the number one out of the top 5. This is number one right here. You got to be patient with it though. This isn't going to go to $1,000 right away. It took some time when it did go to $1,000. Palantir, again, you see the trend here. Nvidia trending to the upside. Palantir over the long term has been running as well. Okay, what else? Another AI stock to keep an eye on is Sound. It's got growing revenues. Its revenues continue to grow over 50%, and over 50% every quarter, I believe. Or is it every year? No, every year. My bad. Every year, its revenues continue to grow 50%. And we know Nvidia is invested in this one as well because they disclosed their stake, causing the stock to go up as high as $10.50 in its most recent run. As you can see here, topped out back up above $10. So right now it's pulling back, and I do believe it'll be a buy under, what is it, $4? About $4. Under $4, it's going to be a buy because the bottom is down here. The most recent floor at around 350. So that is where I'm looking to buy. It's just going to require a lot of patience. That's really what it is in the market. It's a patience pays markets. If you don't have patience, you're going to buy at the worst time possible. So SoundHound, another one to keep an eye on. And there's two more. AITX is another one I want to talk about. Because AITX here, it's an AI stock. It's going to uplist in 2026. It's working on having a clean slate, clean balance sheet, and it's getting a lot more sales. It's growing, and we've been getting some run-ups here, 300%, 500% runs. Here we got a nice 50% pop. So as long as big numbers continue to drop in terms of headlines, this will continue to give 50% plus returns for swing traders and for longs. As long as the company continues doing what they're doing, it's going to eventually go up above a penny. And we'll see if it can go further than that. We'll see. But ultimately, another AI stock to keep an eye on with a lot of potential, especially post uplist. I would wait until after the uplist to invest in it. And finally, Tesla is another one that I know. I know everyone thinks Tesla, Elon Musk, cars, but ultimately he has made it very clear that he intends to make robots. And he's given some ridiculous figures. Oh, it's going to be worth 25 trillion. But look, if it works out, if he actually follows through on these humanoid robots, then this company you're gonna see it skyrocket. If it works out, you're gonna see it go to 1,000. Because that's no joke. If these robots can do what he says they're gonna be able to do, a lot of companies are gonna be buying. A lot of companies are gonna be interested in their technology, and maybe even I don't know if consumers would be able to afford it. I don't know how they would make it not only consumer friendly but budget friendly too, to be able to afford a humanoid robot that walks around. And I don't know what kind of task they would do, but if you have a Roomba, then you know kind of what I'm talking about. Because a Roomba, you just turn it on and it does its thing. So imagine just a humanoid robot, you turn it on and it just does, I guess, washes the dishes. I don't know. I would imagine that would be very expensive and only the wealthy would be able to afford it. So I don't know. I think I'll say this much: if he follows through and it works out, there's gonna a lot of investors right now are gonna look back at 180 and laugh like, "Wow, I can't believe we were afraid to buy down here." If it doesn't work out, we're gonna see Tesla probably dump. So that's kind of a it's a bigger risk with Tesla. So you're really betting on Elon Musk following through, which kind of his history is kind of it's kind of iffy, but up to you as to whether you want to invest and take that risk. So one of the more riskier AI plays. But other than that, if you had to choose between these five, Nvidia, buy it, hold it, see you in 20 years. If you make millions, send me $100,000 tip, and I will throw a rooftop party here in downtown Chicago in the summer. Yeah, I'm not throwing no party. Yeah, because if you throw the party, I'm gonna have to travel to you. Screw that. Yeah, no, I probably won't even throw the party. I'll just hire someone to throw the party, invite someone, and fly in the planes. You don't even have to tip me at that point. I'll have a lot of money myself from Nvidia because I am invested in this. I've been pounding the table. This is the one out of all of them. This is it. That is it for the video. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm super bullish on AI. Honestly, I should change my name to Shades the AI guy or Bill Nye the Science guy. No, Shades the AI guy. I've thought about it. I'm like, maybe I should just be Shades the AI guy. Like maybe I don't know. What if my channel explodes because hey, it's Shades the AI guy? I don't know. I think I'll just keep it at Shades. I don't think the AI guy is necessary, but that's really what this channel has turned into because I'm just an AI pumper. But ultimately, if you follow the game plans that I set out, if you listen and you buy the good ones like Nvidia, I'm telling you, out of the five here, if you want a real winner, if you don't want to even have to worry about anything, and you just want to set some money into a stock and sit on it, Nvidia's the one. That's it for the video. I'll see you.